The 3-day annual Shad Suk Mynsiem, or Dance of a Peaceful Heart, or Thanksgiving Festival of the Khasi tribe of Meghalaya, had come to a close on the 10th of April 2023 at the Lympung Weiking at Jaiaw, Shillong. The festival is celebrated through rituals and dances to welcome the advent of spring, which is symbolic of new life cycles after gathering of a bountiful harvest. The chief guest on the final day of the festival was the Governor of Meghalaya, Chauhan, who was welcomed by leaders of the Khasi Senkme. Others present included members of the Khasi, male and female dancers, besides members of the Khasi faith and those of the general public.
Hakmat jong pi ko kan rat ko batau ko babu ko balasan kan rat ka do kasna bakoi kan rat kan hit ka ya kan rat ko ngeladam la yar ka kan tien kan yar jutang dau charman jang ka committee ibas ko na ka kur ka jajam te kala biang kan ra kala bet kala janai kala japung kila on kila nam ya kami jinsi kami jinsai bakan mando iya kas imariang hamtam ya kan hi kandat Lympung Shad kandat kaban no kandat harun kat ki nam kan de ki nam chendang ki man kan ji kandat ki jat jang ki jat mon harun kat bakin ka we yau sampia ban long ka phu ka ping ka phu ka piang kandat hakan hi kandat ka Shad ai ngo ai jem